Hi kids, just zapping some garbage there. I'm Chross, otherwise known as Jamaican. Jamaica is depending on you for its development, so let's keep it clean. But did you know we have over 3 million people living on this island, traveling back and forth every day? I wonder, on this beautiful paradise, how do you think some of us treat our garbage? Look at this poor man, for example.
One lock up hiccup, let me throw them garbage here and I see.
Now he's trying to dump his garbage in the sea. Now is that a proper place for garbage disposal? I don't think so. Hey! Ooh. You think it's a garbage dump? Sure. People like you just won't understand the importance of this body of water we so recklessly pollute every day. We have some of the most beautiful coral reefs on this earth, and we are destroying that with our appetites for pollution. Without our coral reefs, we can say goodbye to our fishing population. A percentage of our tourists come here annually to gaze upon its beauty. Have you ever stopped to think of what will happen if we continue to treat our waters like this? Well, it will be pure chaos. Our islands will have no defense against massive storm surges. Our fishermen will be desperately out of work because there'll be no fish to catch. Now the proper way to dispose of your garbage is to use a bin, right? And store it in an area that is accessible for your local garbage collectors. Once you practice this method, you are saving the environment, which makes you a Jamaican. Jamaica's first superhero.